For centuries, we've looked to the stars and wondered about our place in the universe. We've sought answers to profound questions about our existence, the origin of life, and the forces that govern the cosmos. Did you know that several scientific facts discovered in recent centuries were mentioned in the Quran over 1400 years ago? In this exploration of the cosmos from a different perspective, we'll delve into the profound verses of the Quran that align with modern scientific discoveries. From the universe's birth to the intricate workings of our planet and our own bodies, we'll uncover the surprising convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science. Join me as we explore 10 Quranic verses and their remarkable alignment with our current scientific understanding. It is important to remember that the Quran is not a science textbook, but these verses offer a glimpse into the interconnectedness of the natural world and the divine, inviting us to ponder the wonders of creation. The Big Bang Theory stands as one of the most profound discoveries of modern cosmology. It tells the story of our universe's beginning, a time when all matter and energy were compressed into an infinitely dense point, a singularity. Then, in a cataclysmic event, it began to expand, setting in motion the evolution of the cosmos as we know it. Consider now the words of the Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago, in chapter 21, verse 30. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them? This verse speaks of a time when the heavens and the earth were once a single entity, a concept that aligns remarkably with the Big Bang Theory's description of a universe emerging from a unified state. How could a text from the 7th century allude to a concept that would only be understood through centuries of scientific progress? It's a question that sparks curiosity and invites us to explore the intersection of faith and reason. The Quran is not presenting a scientific textbook. Instead, it offers a glimpse into the grandeur of creation, a signpost pointing towards a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. The Big Bang Theory, with its echoes of a universe born from a single point, resonates with the Quran's description of a unified creation. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity and our enduring quest to comprehend the cosmos. As we continue to probe the depths of space and time, we do so with the knowledge that even ancient texts can hold profound insights into the workings of our universe. The Quran's verses, like the faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself, continue to inspire awe and wonder. It's a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries, waiting to be unraveled, and that sometimes the answers we seek may lie in unexpected places. Let us continue our exploration with open minds and a sense of wonder, for the cosmos is vast and full of surprises. In the early 20th century, astronomer Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery that revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Through his observations of distant galaxies, he found that they were moving away from us and from each other. This expansion of the universe, a cornerstone of modern cosmology, was hinted at in the Quran centuries earlier. Chapter 51, verse 47 of the Quran states, "And the heaven, we built it with power, and indeed we are expanding it." This verse speaks directly to the concept of an expanding universe, a fact that only became scientifically established in the 20th century. The Quran's assertion that the heavens are being expanded aligns with Hubble's observations and the broader framework of the Big Bang Theory. Imagine the audacity of this statement, revealed at a time when the prevailing view of the cosmos was one of a static, unchanging universe. The Quran challenged this notion centuries before science could confirm it, offering a glimpse into the dynamic nature of our cosmos. How can we explain this alignment between a 7th century text and modern scientific findings? Some may view it as coincidence, while others see it as evidence of divine inspiration. Regardless of one's beliefs, the Quran's verses serve as a powerful reminder that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. The expansion of the universe is a profound concept, suggesting that we live in a cosmos that is not static but rather dynamic, constantly unfolding. This understanding fundamentally changed our perspective on our place in the grand scheme of things. Just as the universe is constantly expanding, so too should our minds be open to exploring new ideas and challenging our preconceived notions. The Quran's verses, when viewed through the lens of modern science, encourage us to embrace the wonders of the cosmos and to continue seeking knowledge from all sources. The development of a human being from a single fertilized cell to a fully formed infant is a process of astonishing complexity and beauty. Modern embryology has allowed us to peer into the womb and witness the intricate stages of this miraculous journey. It's a testament to the power of science to illuminate the wonders of life itself. Consider now the words of the Quran, revealed over 14 centuries ago in chapter 23, verses 13 to 14. Then we placed him as a drop of seed in a firm lodging. Then we created the drop into a clinging clot, and we created the clot into a lump of flesh. These verses describe the stages of embryonic development with remarkable accuracy, from the initial drop of a fertilized egg to the formation of a clinging clot and the subsequent development of flesh and bones. The Quran's description of embryonic development aligns with the findings of modern embryology, which has revealed the intricate processes by which a single cell transforms into a complex human being. This congruence between ancient text and modern science is a testament to the depth and complexity of knowledge embedded within the Quran. It is important to remember that the Quran is not a scientific textbook, and its verses are open to interpretation. However, the level of detail provided in these verses, centuries before the advent of modern microscopy and embryological studies, is striking. The development of a human embryo serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. We all begin our journey in the same way, a testament to the unity and diversity of life on Earth. The Quran's verses, like the intricate dance of cells within the womb, invite us to marvel at the wonders of creation and to appreciate the delicate balance of life. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, connected to a lineage that stretches back to the very beginnings of life on our planet. We often take for granted the air we breathe, the very atmosphere that envelops our planet and makes life possible. It's a delicate shield, protecting us from the harsh radiation of space and regulating the Earth's temperature to support life as we know it. Consider the words of the Quran, chapter 21, verse 32. "And we made the sky a protected ceiling." This verse speaks of the sky as a protective barrier, a concept that aligns with our scientific understanding of the Earth's atmosphere as a shield against harmful radiation and a regulator of our planet's climate. This understanding of the atmosphere as a protective layer is a relatively recent development in human history. The Quran, revealed centuries earlier, speaks of this concept with a clarity that is striking. The Quran's description of the sky as a protected ceiling is a powerful metaphor for the essential role the atmosphere plays in safeguarding life on Earth. It highlights the interconnectedness of all things in the natural world and emphasizes the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our planet. The atmosphere, like a celestial guardian, shields us from the harsh realities of space, allowing life to flourish on our planet. This understanding should inspire us to appreciate the fragility of our environment and to take responsibility for its protection. Just as the atmosphere protects us from harm, so too should we strive to protect our planet and its inhabitants. The Quran's verses serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. Iron is an element essential to life as we know it. It's in our blood, carrying oxygen throughout our bodies, and it's found in the Earth itself, contributing to our planet's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar winds. The Quran, in chapter 57, verse 25, states, "And we sent down iron, wherein is great military might and benefits for the people." This verse mentions iron being sent down, a phrase that aligns with scientific findings that the iron found on Earth originated from supernova explosions, the cataclysmic deaths of stars. The process by which elements heavier than hydrogen and helium are created in the extreme temperatures and pressures of stellar cores is a fascinating area of astrophysics. The Quran's reference to iron being sent down coincides with our understanding of how this vital element arrived on Earth. The Quran's description of iron as having great military might reflects the historical importance of iron in warfare and tools. Its mention of benefits for the people highlights iron's crucial role in human civilization, from construction to transportation. The formation of iron in the heart of dying stars is a reminder that we are all connected to the cosmos. The very elements that make up our bodies and our world were forged in these celestial furnaces billions of years ago. The Quran's verses, like the iron that flows through our veins, connect us to the vastness of space and the grandeur of the cosmos. They invite us to contemplate our place in the universe and to marvel at the intricate processes that have shaped our world. Mountains, those majestic giants that rise from the Earth's surface, have always inspired awe and wonder. They stand as testaments to the immense forces at work within our planet. The Quran, in chapter 16 verse 15 states, "And he has cast into the earth firmly set mountains, lest it should shake with you." This verse highlights the role of mountains in stabilizing the Earth's crust, a concept supported by modern plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a cornerstone of modern geology. It explains how the Earth's outer layer is made up of massive plates that are in constant motion, floating on a layer of molten rock. Mountains are often formed at the boundaries of these plates, where they collide and push against each other. The Quran's description of mountains as firmly set to prevent the Earth from shaking aligns with our understanding of their role in stabilizing the Earth's crust. The immense weight of mountains helps to anchor the tectonic plates and reduce seismic activity. The Quran's verses, like the mountains themselves, stand as testaments to the power and wisdom of the Creator. They invite us to appreciate the intricate workings of our planet and to recognize the interconnectedness of all things in the natural world. The next time you gaze upon a mountain range, remember the vital role these majestic peaks play in stabilizing our planet and providing a foundation for life to flourish. Let them serve as a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of respecting the forces that shape our world. Water is the lifeblood of our planet, essential for all living things. It sustains ecosystems, shapes landscapes, and plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. The constant circulation of water between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere is a process we call the water cycle. The Quran, in chapter 23, verse 18, describes this cycle with remarkable accuracy. "And we send down from the sky, rain in measure, and we make it remain in the earth, and indeed we are able to take it away." This verse highlights the key stages of the water cycle: precipitation, absorption, and evaporation. The Quran's description of rain being sent down in measure underscores the importance of balance in the natural world. The distribution of rainfall is crucial for sustaining life in different regions of the globe. The verse also mentions that water is made to remain in the earth, referring to the process of absorption, where rainwater seeps into the ground and replenishes groundwater reserves. This groundwater is essential for plant life and is a vital source of fresh water for many communities. Finally, the Quran states that this water can be taken away, alluding to the process of evaporation, where water from the Earth's surface, including oceans, lakes, and rivers, is converted into vapor and rises into the atmosphere, completing the cycle. The Quran's description of the water cycle, revealed centuries before the development of modern hydrology, is a testament to the depth of observation and understanding present in this ancient text. It highlights the interconnectedness of natural processes and underscores the importance of water as a precious resource. The human heart, a fist-sized organ nestled within our chests, is often seen as a symbol of love, emotion, and the very essence of our being. It's the engine that drives our circulatory system, pumping blood throughout our bodies, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. The Quran, in chapter 13, verse 28, mentions the heart in a way that resonates deeply with our understanding of its function. Those who have believed and whose hearts find rest in the remembrance of Allah. Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah, hearts find rest. While this verse speaks to the spiritual significance of finding peace in the remembrance of the divine, it also aligns with the heart's physiological role in providing a sense of calm and well-being. The Quran's association of the heart with finding rest speaks to the profound connection between our physical and emotional states. When we are at peace, our heart rate slows, blood pressure stabilizes, and we experience a sense of tranquility throughout our bodies. The rhythmic beating of the heart, like a soothing drumbeat, provides a constant reminder of our own mortality and the preciousness of life. It serves as a metronome for our existence, marking the passage of time with each pulse. The Quran's reference to the heart finding rest in remembrance invites us to cultivate inner peace and connect with something larger than ourselves. It reminds us that true contentment comes not from external pursuits but from within. Just as the heart tirelessly pumps blood throughout our bodies, so too should we strive to cultivate compassion, love, and understanding in our interactions with others. The Quran's verses serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Clouds. Those ethereal formations that drift across the sky have captivated humanity for millennia. They are a source of inspiration for poets, a canvas for dreamers, and a vital part of the Earth's climate system. The Quran, in chapter 35, verse 9, describes the role of wind in cloud formation. And it is Allah who sends the winds, and they stir the clouds, and we drive them to a dead land and give life thereby to the earth after its lifelessness. Thus is the resurrection. This verse highlights the process by which winds lift and transport moisture, leading to the formation of clouds. The Quran's description of winds stirring the clouds aligns with our understanding of how air currents lift warm, moist air from the Earth's surface into the atmosphere. As this air rises, it cools, and the water vapor within it condenses around tiny particles in the air, forming clouds. The verse goes on to describe how these clouds are driven to a dead land, bringing life-giving rain that transforms barren landscapes into fertile ground. This highlights the crucial role clouds play in the water cycle and their importance for sustaining life on Earth. The Quran's use of the phrase "thus is the resurrection" suggests a parallel between the life-giving cycle of rain and the concept of spiritual renewal. Just as rain revitalizes the earth, so too can faith and good deeds bring new life to our souls. The next time you observe the ever-changing patterns of clouds in the sky, remember the intricate processes at work and the vital role they play in sustaining life on our planet. Let them serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the awe-inspiring power of nature. The Earth's oceans, vast and deep, are teeming with life and hold many mysteries yet to be uncovered. One such wonder is the existence of distinct layers of water within the ocean, each with its own salinity, temperature, and density. The Quran, in chapter 25, verse 53, alludes to this phenomenon. And it is He who has released the two seas, one fresh and sweet and one salty and bitter, and He placed between them a barrier and prohibiting partition. This verse describes a barrier between fresh water and salt water, a phenomenon known as a halocline in oceanography. A halocline is a vertical zone in the ocean where there is a rapid change in salinity. This separation prevents the two types of water from mixing easily, creating distinct layers with different characteristics. This phenomenon, now well understood in oceanography, was alluded to in the Quran centuries ago. The Quran's description of one sea as fresh and sweet and the other as salty and bitter accurately reflects the difference in salinity between freshwater sources like rivers and the saltwater of the ocean. The barrier mentioned in the verse refers to the halocline that prevents these two types of water from readily mixing. This separation of freshwater and saltwater is essential for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. It allows for the existence of diverse habitats and supports a wide variety of life forms. The Quran's recognition of this delicate balance in the natural world is a testament to its deep observations and insights. It reminds us that even in the vastness of the ocean, there are intricate systems at work governed by laws that maintain the delicate web of life. As we've journeyed through these 10 examples of Quranic verses aligning with modern scientific discoveries, it's clear that there's a remarkable convergence between the book revealed over 1,400 years ago and our current understanding of the universe. While some may attribute these alignments to coincidence, others see them as profound evidence of divine wisdom woven into the fabric of creation. It's important to remember that the Quran is not a scientific textbook. Its primary purpose is to guide humanity towards spiritual enlightenment and a deeper connection with the Creator. Yet, these verses, when examined through the lens of modern science, offer a glimpse into the interconnectedness of the natural world and the divine. The Quran's verses, like the stars scattered across the night sky, invite us to ponder the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. They encourage us to approach the pursuit of knowledge with humility and wonder, recognizing that the more we discover, the more we realize how much more there is to learn.